kelas 2 Pelangi Center Nganjuk.
Love nature, grow together. Pelangi Center, peduli, profesional, menyayangi.
With nowhere else to be, and as our train car derails and rolls into the ocean, I'll be honest, I wouldn't miss a thing about this cold-hearted town.
Kita mau belajar dan bermain.
In everything, as the world flies by outside of my window, I'll be honest, I wouldn't miss a thing. Compassion is dead, we'll drown ourselves in a sea of paper that glitters like gold. Some say that hate, that it speaks in whispers, but I can't hear, but I can't hear. Some say that hate, that it speaks in whispers, but I can't hear. Their curdling screams as our train car derails and rolls into the ocean. I'll be honest about everything.
Outing kelas 2 Pelangi Center Nganjuk.
Love nature, grow together. Pelangi Center, peduli,